Hi friends, welcome to SS Automation Technologies. In today's class, we're gonna discuss about how to merge the Selenium with the Eclipse. You see, right? You see here. In yesterday's class, we just created this file, right? This class file, my first class, and here this is the public static void main string array args. Okay, from here your program execution starts. Fine. See, as of now, what we have done is we have installed the Java and we have given that Java files into the environmental variable. That's fine. So now we have installed Java, fine, and after that we have installed Eclipse. We have downloaded the Eclipse and we configured it. Okay, it is some files. Eclipse is a group of files. So this is the Eclipse we have downloaded and we extracted this. This is the Eclipse we downloaded and we extracted this. We got this folder. Once we open, this is the .exe file. Okay, once the Eclipse is created, we created one basic project. This is a my project and this is a package. My project is a package and my first class.java is a class. Now done. Now what we have done, we have installed the Java and we have installed the Eclipse. Fine. Now this Eclipse has the knowledge of Java. While we are creating the new project, it asked you, right? It asked for the Java libraries like system library SE14, right? It was showing while we are creating the new project. It was showing this. We simply clicked on it so that all the required libraries are imported into this project. Now our project is my project. This is the project we are creating. It has the knowledge of this one, Java. That's fine. So now this project can identify these Java files. Right, now Eclipse has the knowledge of Java. That's absolutely good and fine. Now how can we integrate Selenium to it? Because this Eclipse is a universal, right? Eclipse Java is a universal. We have downloaded Eclipse Java version, right, from the Eclipse official website. So this is actually universal, right? This Eclipse has only this Java libraries, right? But here our ultimate goal is we have to write the Selenium code, right? We have to write the Selenium code. For that in the Eclipse by using Java, right? Selenium Java in the Eclipse, right? So now this Eclipse have the Java libraries, but if you want to execute the Selenium code into this Eclipse, this project should also have the Selenium libraries, right? I'm repeating again. Now this project is having the Java libraries, so that we can execute the Java like system.out.println, welcome to tutorials. The system.out.println belongs to the Java libraries, right? So we could able to execute it. But if you want to execute the Selenium command, Selenium classes, Selenium libraries, can we execute that? We can't execute it, right? Because the Selenium libraries are not there in this project. So now we have to add Selenium libraries to our project. So how we going to add any libraries? Let us say this is my project is my project, right? In this project, if you want to add any libraries, you have to right click on it, go to the properties and Java build path. Okay, Java build path, and here you see libraries. These libraries you need to add. I have already added some libraries, so that is why it is showing here. Okay, these libraries you have to, then these libraries will be available to this project. Now we can execute the Selenium test cases. We can execute the Selenium commands. We can write the Selenium test cases here. So how to download the Selenium? To download Selenium, very simple. Go to Google and click on download Selenium. Selenium official website will be started and then downloads. Okay, www.selenium.do/downloads. Just open this Selenium do.downloads. Just scroll down. We have already discussed that Selenium has so many different types of versions. Selenium Grid is a one version. Okay, and client and WebDriver language bindings one version. If you go down, you will have Selenium IDE also. Okay, Maven, third-party drivers, etc, etc, etc. But now we are very much interested in Selenium WebDriver with Java, right? We are interested in Selenium WebDriver with Java because that is what our course content is. We gonna discuss that. So what we have to do, we need to click on the download. Okay, once we click on the download, this file will be downloaded. I am cancelling it now because I have already downloaded for you. So as we have discussed earlier, all the contents whatever I am downloading, I am keeping in one folder called Selenium Automation. This folder I will keep in GitHub and I will share you the location. You can access this once the course is completed so that everything will be on your hand. Fine. Now what I have downloaded is this one, selenium-java. This is what, guys, I'm again telling, these are called selenium jars, selenium libraries. Why we are downloading selenium libraries? Because this Eclipse will have the Java libraries by default. Because what Eclipse we have downloaded? We have downloaded Eclipse Java, right? Once we went to that the Eclipse official website, we have seen that Eclipse Java, that setup file we have downloaded, right? So obviously the Java libraries will be available in this Eclipse. While we are creating the project, the libraries are automatically imported, so we can execute all the Java related commands. But the ultimate goal is we have to execute Selenium with Java, right? So Selenium commands we can't execute because Selenium libraries are not there. For that we have downloaded the Selenium libraries. So these are called Selenium libraries. Whatever the Selenium guys have developed the Selenium libraries for Java, and they have developed Selenium libraries for Ruby, developed Selenium libraries with Python. So now we want Selenium libraries with Java, that we already downloaded and we kept it in this folder. This is Selenium libraries for Java. Okay, just open this. Okay, this is the zip file we have downloaded. What I did is this is extract here. Okay, once I did extract here, all the libraries are extracted into this folder. Okay, you see this is the icon. This icon is there, right? This is called jar file, .jar file. So this is the library, this one and this one, these two. And again you have to go to libs libraries folder. Here we have some other jar files are available. You see, whatever with .jar, these are all called as the libraries, and these are all necessary. These are all necessary if you want to execute the Selenium commands inside this Eclipse. Okay, so for this project I need to give the knowledge of those things, right? So go to the properties, right click properties, okay, and after that go to the libraries. By default it will select libraries, or else maybe source. In some machines it will show you the source. Okay, so now click on the libraries. Okay, after clicking on the libraries you will have two. One is a module path, other one is a class path. Okay, remember that, module path and the class path. Recording is going on, right? Fine. Now you see here you have the module path and you have the class path, right? So now click on the class path and click on the add external jars, because I am giving these jars, this libraries externally, right? So if I click on this external jars, this will be open. Go to the you just point to the directory where Selenium jars are present. Okay, then select this and again go to the libraries, select Ctrl A, select all and open. Okay, once you did that, all will be added like this. Okay, all, because I have already added. Okay, okay, for your convenience I'm adding again. Let us say I'm adding all this. Okay, instead of that, because I have already added this and this, click Ctrl, select those two and open. Okay, these two are added, but now I'm removing those two because I have already added. Just remove those two. Okay, now you see I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So now how many are there in this? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6 7. Okay, so total 7 jars are there. After that you need to apply and close. That's it. Once you have done that, what will happen, all the one, let me close this console. Okay, what you have done, all the this is the previously executed, that's what is showing the error. But anyhow, I will close this. Okay, don't worry, ignore this error. This is previously I ran something, so that is the reason it is showing some error. But anyhow, we're gonna write everything from the scratch now. Okay, fine. So now to this project I have given the libraries of Selenium. Okay, now I can execute my Selenium code. Okay guys, hope you got the idea, right? In the next class I'll just remove these errors and I'll tell you the first basic program of Selenium. Okay, stay tuned, happy learning, take care guys, bye bye.